Hey guys, here's a quick tip for you for spare hex hub pins. So kind of learned this lesson, not myself, but somebody else in a recent crawl where his hex pin fell out. So he didn't have drive on one of his wheels. Luckily one of the guys had one, but I thought to myself, damn, I do not have any. So I got an order in, but in the meantime, I'm like, well, I should have a few extra spares, right? So really simple. I went through my stuff, get these guys, right? So this is about, I think it's 2 millimeters thick. This is pretty darn close to that, right? So I cut a few spares, but basically my suggestion is just look around, see if you have one of these bigger paper clip items, and cut yourselves one. You know, the measurement isn't perfect, but I've tested them. They fit in the space in the hex unit. But they will serve as an emergency backup if you're caught in the trail. So, you know, cut a few extras if you haven't got any, which I've done, and I gotta put them in a Ziploc in my parts bin that I carry with me on the trails. That way, in the event I lose one for whatever reason, I have some quick backups. If I don't have, you know, haven't bought them from the store. Anyway, quick tip of the day. Happy crawling.